This is a demonstration of attaching the NOMIC magnetic sweeper under your vehicle. We've got a forklift here with a curved counterweight on the bottom. The NOMIC's been designed with these magnetic attachment pods that swivel so that it can attach to a curved surface. They're also rubber coated so that they don't slide. You want to make sure these are reasonably clean when you put it together, so you can just wipe them off. And we're going to go ahead and demonstrate attaching this to the underside of the vehicle. So first step is you clean the bottom surface. You want it clean so that there isn't any grit or dirt on it. That's a good clean surface. And to attach the NOMIC, you simply bring in, hold it by the tripods, click it on underneath. You can give these a little wiggle to set those magnets flat in place. And then to adjust the height, you can simply pull on the ropes to raise the sweeper up. You want to set it up so that you've got about an inch or two of ground clearance. And if you wanted to lower the sweeper, you can simply go ahead and you can push these cams here. I'll just drop it so you can see. So that's dropped. And then you can pull on it to raise it up again. And if you want to make the magnetic assembly wider, you can simply attach another NOMIC beside it and another one to it. You can see that these pivot pins that connect multiple units together. So if you wanted to cover the width of the bottom of your forklift, you could just buy 2 or 3 of these. Usually 3 does the job pretty well.